Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz G63. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all on this car on the front. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Front and back door look perfect here. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. The spare tire cover is in excellent condition, and the back bumper and trunk are perfect as well. There are no scratches at all on this car. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing a scratch on here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I do not see any scratches or dents on them at all. Now the last fender and wheel. Everything here looks perfect. The fender has no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. I'm not seeing anywhere on the seat at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. The door panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the switches. Everything is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on here at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. All of the buttons are in excellent condition. I do not see anything wrong. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. Excellent. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.